What's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we'll talk about video game mecha model kit. And let's talk about the Kotobukiya lines here. We got the first on the list, the Kisei Kushiki from Border Break. Very nice kit, very expensive as well because this is a bit rare model kit nowadays. So there, it's a 1/48 scale model from Kotobukiya. Second to the list is Moid, which is the B Riot from the Cyberbots video game. So it's like a mecha style Street Fighter, something like that. And there, it's a very nice kit from Moid, whereas the plastic quality is not the same with the early releases. It's a bit hard plastic, and this is a very easy kit to build as well. Okay. Next is from Kotobukiya, Armored Core. So there are so many Armored Core model kit, but I only choose to buy one, which is the ambient here, a very sinister looking kit. And there's this fins and panels that are attached on the shoulder, which is very bizarre looking. So there we go, Armored Core ambient. So there, it's an Armored Core model. Next is from Plum model kits, and I got here the ARK Cloud Breaker from Murakumo. So this is I think the protagonist or the first player model kit there. So this is the kit that doesn't stand on its own. You need action-based stand for it to stand like this. And what I like with this kit is it reminds me of the Ares model kit or mobile suit from Gundam Wing series. So there we got the Plum Murakumo ARK Cloud Breaker. Next to it is the Kotobukiya, which is the Rex. Okay, Metal Gear Rex from the Metal Gear video game. So there, we got here the 1/100 scale Metal Gear Rex black version. Okay, so there we go. Then after that, we got the Moid line, Iron Saga. This is the Deer Stalker RXR from the video game Iron Saga. Very nice kit, very tall. It's around 19 to 20 centimeters. It's like average high grade model kit, or master grade model kit rather, from Bandai. Okay, next is I got the Moid Cruise Chaser Blasty. Sorry for my colds. So there we go, we got here the Cruise Chaser Blasty from the this is Blasty from Cruise Chaser Blasty game. Yeah, so this is a transformable model kit from Moid, where Blasty here can transform into a fighter to the mobile suit mode like that. So there we go, this is the mobile suit mode for the Cruise Chaser Blasty. Next is I got here Plum model kit, the Lenos. So we got here the Assault Lenos from the Lenos video game. There we go, this is a very simple looking model kit here, which has this Saku vibe. So there we go, but the plastic quality of this kit is really for me substandard, because as you can see it really breaks up, but the appearance of this kit really looks like a Zaku model kit. Yeah, good. Next is I got here the Vic Viper from I forgot the name of that game. Zone of the Enders. Yeah, now I remember. It's from Zone of the Enders. Actually, I got also the It's one of the endorse GMP, but I still like the Vic Viper over that model. So there we go, I got the Vic Viper. Next to the Vic Viper, I got the Photobukia Starwing Paradox Solidea, another expensive model kit that I got from Photobukia. So there I got this very nicely looking purple, pink, and indigo colored model kit here with some clear blue accents plastic pieces. After the Solidea, I got here the Spetsnef from the, I forgot again the game, but I got the Ryden model kit from that. I think the Cyber Trooper Virtual On. Yes, I now remember Cyber Trooper Virtual On. So this is the Spetsnef. This is the most ugly model kit that I got because plastic quality is really bullshit, and as you can see, I broke the wing, so I need to fix this shit up. And honestly, I like the color scheme, but the plastic is really crappy. Anyway, this is one of the early releases of Photobukia. So there. Then I got the Plum. This is the Plum Power Dolls. So Power Dolls, I think, aside from being a game, they got some OVA or anime 3-part or 3-episode that I watched before. It's also a good anime where female pilots maneuvers this kind of power dolls. Okay, and last but not the least, I got the Sakura Wars Spiracle model kit. There we go, very cute looking model kit here that looks like a Zaku because of the mono eye there. Okay, so a very knightly looking Zaku, but no, it's not a Zaku, it's a Spiracle model kit. So thank you so much for watching this. See you next time, and goodbye. And because of that, I made the Zeon altar, the Zeonic altar in my room.